Hello, today we're going to be cooking a delicious Israeli shakshuka. So we're going to start off by chopping some onions, sauteing them off, mixing them with peppers, tomatoes, chili, cumin, cooking that down, throwing some eggs in there, letting them cook in the sauce and serving it with some lovely toasted bread. Okay, so first job is we're going to finely slice the onion. And then we're going to finely slice the pepper and the coriander, get everything ready so as soon as we start cooking it's nice and simple. So we're now going to start cooking. We're going to heat up some vegetable oil in the pan, throw in the onions, throw in the peppers on a medium to low heat for about 3 or 4 minutes, get them nicely cooked off. Chuck in the chopped tomatoes with the spices, let that simmer down for about 15 minutes. And then we're going to cook in the eggs and let them cook for about 10 minutes and then we're pretty much ready to eat. So the eggs are perfectly cooked now. We're going to throw it into a bowl, sprinkle with coriander, serve with warm bread and enjoy. So here we have an absolutely delicious shakshuka. Easy to make, took me about 20 minutes. Perfect for breakfast, delicious for tea, quick and easy, perfect for you to try at home at IconInc.